Hello everyone, I am Sushma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Happy Learning. Today let us discuss a famous poem written by William Blake, The Lamb. The Lamb means Kuri Mari. Let us quickly see who was William Blake. A very brief introduction about William Blake. In the picture you are seeing, he is William Blake. He was born on 1757 and he died in 1827. He was a famous English poet and a painter. His well-known works are two poetry collections, Songs of Innocence and Songs of Experience. So the speaker in the poem is a small child, one chick huduga. And this poem, The Lamb, was included in the poetry collection Songs of Innocence. Now the structure of the poem is quite simple. The poem is divided in two stanzas. Okay, now this is the text. I'll read out the text. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Gave thee life and bid thee feed by the stream and over the mead. Gave thee clothing of delight, softest clothing woolly bright. Gave thee such a tender voice, making all the vales rejoice. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? So this is the first stanza. Coming to the second stanza. Little lamb, I'll tell thee, little lamb, I'll tell thee. He is called by thy name, for he calls himself a lamb. He is meek and he is mild. He became a little child. I a child and thou a lamb. We are called by his name. Little lamb, God bless thee. Little lamb, God bless thee. Okay. Now quickly let us discuss. Little lamb who made thee. Thee means you. So the small child is asking the lamb, do you know who have made thee? ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ ಯಾರು? Who is your creator? Then he asks, who has given you life? Gave thee life. Thee means you. This is old English. Who has given you life? ನಿಂಗೆ ಜೀವ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿನಗೆ? And did thee feed? Feed means food. Who has given you food? Now what food does it eat? It eats grass. The lamb. So who has given you food? Who has created you? Who has given you life? So this question he asks. By the stream. Stream is water. Who has given you water to drink? Over the mead. Mead is grassland. So do you know? So he's asking questions. Who has made you? Who has given you life? Who has given you food? Who has given you water? Who has given you grassland? So he's asking some basic questions. Then further he asks, gave thee clothing of delight. Clothing. You are having natural clothing. ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ವೇರ್. ವಿ ವೇರ್ ಕುರ್ತಾ, ವಿ ವೇರ್ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ, ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಶರ್ಟ್ಸ್. So you need not wear any clothing. You have natural clothing. And that clothing will give delight. That makes others happy. ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Why others are happy? It is soft, very soft. ಮೃದುವಾದ clothing ಇದೆ. And it is shining. It is shining, it is soft. Such a beautiful cloth, who has given you? So the boy is asking questions to the lamb. Then he talks about voice. Your voice. Thee means your voice. Your voice is so tender. So beautiful voice you have. You have such a beautiful voice. You make the surroundings happy. Valleys is valley. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಳು. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅಂಥ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಧ್ವನಿ ಇದೆ ನಿಂದು. ಈ ಧ್ವನಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂತ ನೀನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Okay students, the first two lines are again repeated. So he is asking many questions like who has created him? who has given him life, who has given him food, who has given him water, and who has given him clothing. Clothing is soft and it is bright. And it's having such a beautiful voice. The voice is making the mountains, the valleys happy. So this whole stanza is full of questions. The speaker, the child, is asking questions. In the second stanza, ಆ ಮಗುನೇ ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಐಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಹಿಮ್, ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಹಿಮ್, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಐಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಿ. See, it is repeating. Lines are repeated. He is called by thy name. Thy name. Thy means your name. ಅವನಿಗೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ ಯಾರು? ದೇವರು. Jesus is your creator. So Jesus is called by the name Lamb. He calls himself a lamb. Himself is Jesus. Jesus calls himself as lamb. According to Bible and Christianity, Jesus is associated with lamb. He is meek. Meek is gentle, mild. He is meek and mild. He is gentle, saumya. He is innocent. So Jesus, when he was born, he was a child. ಯಾರು ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆಸ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ he came to this world on the earth. So he says, you know who has created you? Jesus has created you. You know who has given you food? Jesus has given you food. You know who has given you the clothing? Jesus has given you the clothing. You both are same. Even I am also same. ದೇವ್ರು ಹುಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು? ಮಗು ಆಗಿದ್ರು. I a child and thou a lamb. We are called by his name. So Jesus, child and lamb, three are the same. They are Christian Trinity. We are called by his name. His is Jesus. So how he ends the poem? William Blake, he blesses the lamb. Little lamb, God bless you thee. Little lamb, God bless you thee. A very simple poem. So in the first stanza, the speaker, who's a child, he asks questions. ಆ ಮಗು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬಿಗೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಹೂ ಮೇಡ್ ದಿ? ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್? And next question he asks, who has given you life? And who has given you food? And who has given you clothing, which makes everyone happy? So stream is this water. Who has given you water? Meadow is grassland. Who has created grassland? God. So God knows what its children, what his or her children need. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ದೇವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನೀರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ದೇವರು, ಹುಲ್ಗಾವಲನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ದೇವರು. ಎದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ನೀನು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು, ನೀನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲೋದಿಂಗ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ woolly, bright. Bright is shining. So the lamb doesn't need any surf excel or something to wash its cloth. It's naturally bright. So how is its voice? It is tender. So tender that the valleys rejoice. Valleys become happy after listening to its song. The speaker answers. He calls himself by thy name. Thy means Jesus. Who is the fellow? Jesus. He was once a child. ಇವನು ಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದ? ಮಗು ಆಗಿದ್ದ. Who is that? Jesus. So Jesus is associated with lamb. ಯೇಸು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ ಒಂದೇ ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯಾನಿಟಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಜೀಸಸ್? ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೀಕ್, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೈಲ್ಡ್. ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ, ಮಗು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಹಿ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್? ಹಿ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ lamb. God bless thee, God bless thee. Okay, so this is a very simple poem of William Blake. So the twin poem of the lamb is the tiger. I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubts, you can leave in the comment box. I'm going to answer the doubts. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.